Hello everyone. We will start with a new topic which is handling problems with strings. Now consider this crazy example of a string which causes Python to display an error message. A is equal to in single quote you can't do. It has a single quote at the start and end, but it also has a single quote in between the string which is can't. Now we will get the syntax error. We can fix this issue by putting double quote at the start and end. A is equal to you can't do. Now what if the sentence is like this? A is equal to, in double quote he said, comma, in double quote you can't do. We will get syntax error because that is the double quote is already present in this string. The solution to this problem is a multi-line string which we learned about earlier using three single quotes, which allows us to combine double and single quotes in our string without causing errors. If we use three single quotes, we can put any combination of single and double quotes inside this string. So we will run the same example and use triple quote at the start and end. B is equal to, in triple quote he said, comma, in double quote you can't do, ending with the triple quote. But wait, there is more. If you really want to use single or double quotes to surround a string in Python, instead of three single quotes you can add a backslash before each quotation mark within the string, and this is called a skipping. Here are a few examples of how skipping works. So this is our example. We used backslash instead of a single quote. A is equal to, with single quote you can't do, there is the backslash we used here. In this example, we see it is accepting single quote and also it is taking backslash without any error. Now we will run the same thing and use double quote and backslash. B is equal to, in double quote, he said, comma, you can't do, ending with double quote. Now we will print both the example. Print A. It will display, he said, comma, in single quote you can't do. Print B, you will get this output. He said, comma, in double quote you can't do. So we got the expected output using the backslash in the code. Now our next topic is multiplying strings. What is 10 multiplied by 5? The answer is 50, of course. But what is 10 multiplied by A? Here is Python answer. Print 10 into A. It will print 10 A's. The next example is print 5000 into @. It will display 5000 times @. Now we will see one more example multiplying using the variable. A is equal to 4 into 10 and then print A. Now tell me what is the output. It will not multiply but display 10 times the number 4.